Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp login problem. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check that you have a good internet connection. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to see if it is really your internet. If you have any VPNs turned on, make sure that it is turned off, and also try to enable and disable airplane mode in like 5 to 10 seconds, and that will give it a quick refresh. If that doesn't work, try to restart your mobile device and finally head into your settings and then go straight into general and scroll all the way down to transfer or reset. Click on reset and reset network settings. This should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't and the problem still persists, what you want to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.